Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a beautiful rocket, Faustino, I believe, and I think this is the version 1.3. This version has a touchscreen, has two options, time-based, or not touchscreen, I'm sorry, display, with the two pre-saved timed options. And we had originally got into this machine just to do cleaning and replacement of the burrs. As you can see here, we have the old burrs from the machine. Nice big burrs. This thing grinds really, really well. And then we did replace it with brand new Eureka burrs. These older ones are actually Eureka also, if you were to look at, I believe, the side. Yeah. So those are the ones that they actually come with, our Eureka burrs too, so we just replace them with the new ones. As you can see, there you are. It's probably better to see there. There you go. Yeah, so we'll replace them. And now we're going to test the grinder. We did clean the whole inside of the grind chamber, both under the spin plate, on top of the spin plate, all the walls, even the chute. And yeah, so now we're just going to test it real quick. Now I did put it really fine, just because that's usually what espresso demands. But of course you could mess with it. Always adjust your grinders while it's running, just so you don't clog it up. Of course, they would have to recalibrate it since we did completely replace the burr set. Usually it offsets the original burr adjustment, so you just want to replace it and redo it again. But yeah, as you can see, nice and powdery coffee. Really good for espresso. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.